Aloha! This is the moment you've all been waiting for. You can now travel to Hawaii without taking a COVID test. In this video, I will talk about all the rules and regulations of traveling to Hawaii, how to create your travel safe profile, and how to upload your vaccine card. My name is Irina with Just Be Out. We create informative travel videos to help you get the most out of your vacation. Just be out with us. Starting July 8, 2021, you can now skip mandatory quarantine without COVID testing when coming to Hawaii if you have been vaccinated fully anywhere in the US mainland. Keep in mind, you must upload your vaccine card to Travel Safe website. I will show you how to do that later on in this video, so stay with me. Also, make sure you bring your original vaccine card with you when traveling to Hawaii. Now, who does it apply to? What does fully vaccinated mean? Fully vaccinated means you have received both shots of Pfizer or Moderna or a single shot of Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Travelers must wait at least 15 days after receiving a second shot of Pfizer or Moderna or a single dose of Johnson & Johnson. So if you got your shot 14 days before coming to Hawaii, that's not gonna work. It has to be at least 15 days. Now, what about your keiki? Keiki means kids in Hawaiian. I will break it down in 3 parts. 1. Children under 5 years old are not subject to vaccination or quarantine rules. 2. Children from 5 to 12 years old are not allowed to get a vaccine, so you must upload their negative COVID test result into your Travel Safe profile 72 hours prior your departure. 3. Fully vaccinated children 12 years old and older may bypass the quarantine. Now, those who are not fully vaccinated or fail to upload negative COVID test 72 hours prior your flight are subject to mandatory 10-day quarantine or the duration of your stay in Hawaii, whichever one is shorter. If you choose to take a test, we got you. We created a step-by-step guide of all the rules and regulations on how and where to take a test. But now I will walk you through how to create your Travel Safe profile and how to upload your vaccine card there. To create your profile, first head over to travel.hawaii.gov. Click Create New Account, enter your email, confirm your email, create and confirm your password. Keep in mind your password must be at least 10 characters, and click Sign Up. Now head over to your email and click on the verification link. You can now log into your account. Enter your personal information, your first name, last name, date of birth, and choose visitor or resident. For the purpose of this video, I will choose visitor. Citizenship, race, and occupation are not mandatory fields, so you can just skip them. But be sure to enter your valid cell phone number. You will be asked to verify your phone number. Now on to the next section. Enter your home address and click Next section. If you're traveling with kids under 18 years old, you need to enter the information here in this section. Once you're done, click Submit. You will see a pop-up. Next, you can enter your trip details. Select your arrival date, the destination, airline, and your flight number. Select the type of ID you will be traveling with, and enter your ID number. And be sure to select the reason of traveling to Hawaii. By selecting Visitor, you must enter your return flight information. You also have to submit where you will be staying while in Hawaii, whether it's an Airbnb address, your friend's address, relative's address, or a hotel. Click Submit. And congratulations, your trip details have been successfully saved. Now click Yes to apply from an exemption from quarantine. Here you will find exemption options. You need to take a picture only of the front of your card where it says what type of shot you took and the dates of taking the shot. Upload a good quality PDF or an image file. Select your trip that you just entered. Sign verifying that this is an original vaccination record card and it's real. Next, sign to authorize the release and disclosure COVID vaccination information. All the vaccination records are being checked manually, so by signing this, you allowing to verify your information. Enter the name of the provider, with it Moderna shots, and enter the location where you took your vaccine and sign. And now you can enter your vaccination records. Select the traveler, the type of vaccine, and the dates of first and second dose along with the lot number. You can find the lot number on your vaccination record card on the sticker right next to the name of the shot, the date, and it will say lot, and it will start with the hashtag or number lot. Select the state where you took your test from and upload the picture of your vaccination record card. Click Submit. But wait, there is one more signature left. And click Submit. Hooray! Your vaccine card has been uploaded. But there is one more thing left. You need to complete a health questionnaire 24 hours prior to your flight. Click Health Questionnaire. Keep in mind, if you try to fill it out earlier than 24 hours, you will not be able to. Upon completing the health questionnaire, you will receive an email with a QR code. You will need that QR code upon either checking in at your departing city or upon your arrival to Hawaii. I understand how frustrating it can be filling out all these online forms and preparing the right documents. So I hope this video made it a little bit easier for you to prepare for your dream vacation. If you find this video useful, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any additional questions, just leave a comment below. We have created over 100 videos on everything Hawaii, from hiking to best beaches, where to stay, hotel walkthroughs, where to eat, and so much more. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, so you can get the most out of your dream Hawaii vacation. Mahalo so much for watching, and as usual, just be out with us.